Hello, welcome back to Leap English Podcast.
Hi, everyone. It's great to have you here today.
I'm Lily.
And I'm Jake. We're here to help you speak better English.
Today we are talking about hobbies, how to describe what you love to do.
Please remember to subscribe to our podcast. It really helps us.
Yes, thank you. Now let's start.
So, Lily, what did you do last weekend?
Last weekend was great. On Saturday, I went hiking with my friends.
Hiking? You like hiking?
Yes, I love it. We went to a mountain near the city. The weather was perfect. We walked for 3 hours.
3 hours? That's a long time. Were you tired?
Yes, very tired, but it was worth it. The view from the top was beautiful. We took many photos. What about you? What did you do?
I stayed home mostly. I spent the whole day playing video games.
The whole day? Really?
Yes, I started at 10 in the morning and I finished at 7 in the evening. My eyes were very tired.
That's a lot of gaming. What game were you playing?
I was playing an adventure game. It's very addictive. I can't stop playing.
I don't really play video games. I tried once, but I wasn't good at it.
It takes practice. Maybe I can teach you sometime. So, hiking is your hobby?
Yes, it's one of my hobbies. I go hiking maybe once or twice a month. It helps me relax and get exercise at the same time.
That's a healthy hobby. I should do more outdoor activities. Right now, my hobbies are all indoor.
What are your hobbies, Jake, besides video games?
Well, I like photography. I take photos with my camera.
Oh, that's interesting. What kind of photos do you take?
I like taking photos of buildings and streets. I love architecture. Sometimes I walk around the city and I take photos of old buildings or interesting designs.
That sounds artistic. Do you share your photos anywhere?
Yes, I post them on Instagram. I don't have many followers, maybe 200 or 300 people, but I enjoy it. It's not about followers, it's about capturing beautiful moments.
I agree. Hobbies should be for enjoyment, not for competition. Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also like cooking. I know we talked about this before, but cooking is really a hobby for me. I enjoy trying new recipes.
What's the most interesting thing you've cooked recently?
Last week, I tried to make sushi at home. It was my first time.
Sushi? That's difficult, isn't it?
Yes, very difficult. I watched YouTube tutorials for 2 hours before I started, and then it took me another 2 hours to make it.
How did it turn out?
Honestly, not great. The rice was too sticky and the rolls kept falling apart, but it tasted okay.
At least you tried. That's the fun part of hobbies. You learn by doing. Did you eat it all?
Yes, I ate it all. I was hungry after 4 hours of work. What other hobbies do you have besides hiking?
I like reading. I read books almost every day.
What kind of books do you like?
I like novels, especially mystery novels. I love trying to guess who the criminal is before the end of the book.
That sounds fun. How many books do you read in a month?
Usually 2 or 3 books. It depends on how busy I am with work. Sometimes I read before bed for 30 minutes. Sometimes I read on the weekend for 2 or 3 hours.
That's impressive. I used to read a lot when I was younger, but now I don't read much. I watch series instead.
Watching series can be a hobby too. What series are you watching now?
I am watching a science fiction series. It's about space travel and aliens. Very exciting.
How much time do you spend watching series?
Too much time, probably. Maybe 1 or 2 hours every evening. Sometimes on weekends, I binge watch. That means I watch many episodes in one day.
Binge watch. That's a good word. I do that sometimes too. Last month, I binge watched a Korean drama. I watched 16 episodes in 2 days.
Wow, that's intense. Did you sleep?
Not much. I was so interested in the story, I couldn't stop. But then I was very tired on Monday at work.
I know that feeling. So let me ask you something. Do you have any creative hobbies, like painting or drawing?
No, really. I'm not very artistic. I can't draw at all. But I like crafts. I make things with my hands.
What kind of things?
I like making jewelry. I make bracelets and necklaces with beads. It's very relaxing.
That's creative. Do you sell them?
No, I just make them for fun. I give them to my friends as gifts. They seem to like them.
That's a nice hobby. Handmade gifts are special. I wish I could make things with my hands, but I'm not patient enough.
You said you like photography. That's also creative.
That's true. I never thought of it that way. Do you have any hobbies related to music?
Yes, actually, I like singing. I sing in my free time.
Really? Do you sing professionally?
No, just for fun. I sing in the shower, I sing when I'm cooking. Sometimes I go to karaoke with my friends.
Karaoke is fun. What kind of songs do you like to sing?
I like pop songs, English pop songs, and also songs in my language. I'm not a great singer, but I enjoy it. Music makes me happy.
That's what matters. Hobbies should make you happy. I tried learning guitar once.
You did? What happened?
I bought a guitar. I watched some tutorial videos. I practiced for 2 weeks, but then I stopped.
Why did you stop?
My fingers hurt, and it was harder than I thought. I couldn't play even simple songs. I felt frustrated.
That's normal. Learning an instrument takes time. Maybe you should try again.
Maybe, but now I have too many hobbies already. I don't have time for guitar. What about sports? Do you play any sports?
Does hiking count as a sport?
Maybe. But I mean team sports or individual sports, like tennis, basketball, swimming.
Oh, then yes. I like swimming. I go swimming once a week at a public pool.
That's great exercise. I can't swim very well.
You can't swim?
I can swim a little bit, but I'm not comfortable in deep water. I prefer activities on land.
That's okay. Everyone has different preferences. Do you do any exercise as a hobby?
I go to the gym sometimes, but I don't really enjoy it. I go because I know it's healthy, not because I love it.
So it's not a hobby for you. It's more like a responsibility.
Exactly. A hobby should be something you look forward to, something that gives you energy, not takes energy.
I completely agree. That's why I love hiking. After a long hike, I feel tired, but also refreshed.
That makes sense. Let me ask you, do you have any unusual hobbies? Something not many people do?
Unusual. Let me think. I like collecting things.
What do you collect?
I collect postcards from different cities and countries. Whenever I travel, I buy postcards. I have about 150 postcards now.
That's a nice collection. Do you write on them or just collect them?
I just collect them. I keep them in a special album. Sometimes I look at them and remember my trips. It brings back good memories.
That's sweet. I don't collect anything, but my brother collects coins. He has coins from 30 different countries.
That's interesting. Collecting can be an expensive hobby, though.
True. Some hobbies cost a lot of money, like photography. Cameras and lenses are very expensive.
And hiking can be expensive, too. Good hiking boots cost a lot. And if you want to travel to different mountains, that's more money.
But some hobbies are free or cheap, like reading. You can borrow books from the library.
Or watching series. If you already have a streaming subscription, it doesn't cost extra.
Exactly. The important thing is finding hobbies that fit your budget and your lifestyle.
I agree. You know, Jake, while we were talking, we used many useful words related to hobbies.
We did. Should we talk about them? Let's help everyone learn these words.
Good idea. Let's do that. Okay, the first word is hobby itself. Jake, what does hobby mean?
A hobby is an activity you do in your free time for fun and relaxation. It's not your job, it's something you enjoy. For example, photography is my hobby. I don't get paid for it. I do it because I like it.
Perfect explanation. So, reading is my hobby. Gaming is your hobby. These are all hobbies. You can have one hobby or many hobbies.
Right. Now, another word we used a lot is enjoy. I enjoy cooking. Lily enjoys hiking.
Enjoy means to get pleasure from something, to like doing something. It's a very common word when talking about hobbies. You can say, I enjoy, followed by a verb with ing. I enjoy reading. I enjoy swimming.
Can you give another example?
Sure, I enjoy listening to music. That means music gives me pleasure and happiness.
Great. Now, let's talk about the word practice. I said it takes practice to learn guitar.
Practice means doing something again and again to get better at it. If you want to improve your hobby, you need to practice. For example, if you want to be good at singing, you need to practice singing every day.
Yes, practice is both a noun and a verb. I practice guitar. That's the verb. And I need more practice. That's the noun.
Good explanation. Now, another word. We talked about collecting. I collect postcards. Your brother collects coins.
Collecting means gathering things over time and keeping them. People collect many different things. Some people collect stamps, some collect toys, some collect art. It's a popular hobby.
Yes, and the things you gather are called a collection. My postcard collection, his coin collection.
Exactly. Now, let me talk about a word I used, addictive. I said video games are addictive.
Addictive means something is so interesting or enjoyable that you can't stop doing it. It's hard to quit. For example, this TV series is very addictive. I watch one episode and I want to watch more immediately.
Right. It can be a positive or negative word. Some hobbies can be addictive in a bad way. You spend too much time on them.
That's true. Another word we used is binge watch. This is a fun word.
Binge watch means to watch many episodes of a TV series in a short time, usually in one sitting or one day. I binge watched the entire season in one weekend.
Yes, it's a very modern word. People didn't use this word before streaming services like Netflix. Now, everyone binge watches.
Okay, one more word. How about relax? We said this word a few times.
Relax means to rest, to feel calm, to not be stressed. Hobbies help us relax. After a busy day at work, I relax by reading a book. It calms my mind.
I relax by playing video games or watching TV. Different people relax in different ways.
Exactly. So, let's review our vocabulary words quickly. Hobby, enjoy, practice, collecting, collection, addictive, binge watch, and relax.
Those are all very useful words when talking about hobbies and free time activities.
If you learn these words, you can have natural conversations about your hobbies in English.
Well, Lily, that was a great conversation about hobbies.
It was. I learned a lot about your hobbies, Jake. Video games, photography, cooking, and watching series.
And I learned about yours. Hiking, reading, making jewelry, singing, swimming, and collecting postcards. You have many hobbies.
I like to try different things. Life is more interesting that way. So let's review what we talked about today.
We talked about how to describe your hobbies in English. We discussed many different types of hobbies.
We talked about outdoor hobbies like hiking and swimming. We talked about creative hobbies like photography and making jewelry.
We discussed entertainment hobbies like gaming, watching series, and going to karaoke. We also talked about collecting things as a hobby.
We learned that hobbies are important because they help us relax, they make us happy, and they give us something to look forward to.
We also learned that different hobbies cost different amounts of money. Some are free, some are expensive.
The important thing is finding hobbies that you truly enjoy, not hobbies that other people think are cool.
Exactly. Your hobby should be for you, not for others. And now it's time for our favorite part.
Yes, the question of the day.
Are you ready?
Okay, today's question is, what is your favorite hobby and why do you love it?
This is a great question. We want to know what you do in your free time.
Do you play sports? Do you make art? Do you collect things? Do you play music?
And most importantly, why is this your favorite hobby? What does it give you?
For example, I could say my favorite hobby is reading because it helps me escape from reality and enter different worlds.
Or I could say, my favorite hobby is photography because it helps me see beauty in everyday life.
See, it's easy. Now it's your turn.
Please write your answer in the comments below. You can write in simple English. Just say, my favorite hobby is, and then explain why.
You could write, my favorite hobby is cooking because I love trying new recipes.
Or, my favorite hobby is playing football because it keeps me healthy and I enjoy being part of a team.
Any hobby is interesting. We want to hear about what makes you happy.
We read every comment, and we love learning about your lives.
It's also great practice for your English writing skills, so don't be shy. Share your hobby with us.
So to summarize, today we learned how to talk about hobbies in English. We learned many useful words and phrases.
We hope you feel confident now to describe your hobbies in English. Remember, talking about hobbies is a great way to connect with people and practice your English at the same time.
Thank you so much for joining us today. It was wonderful talking with you.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode.
Next time, we'll talk about another interesting topic. We'll see you then.
From both of us, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep enjoying your hobbies.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.